you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the...
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? Does it look like I have a lace on? Because I don't. No, I'm just playing. So in today's video, I'll be working with ILIKEHAIR. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 13x4 Kinky straight Kinky edge HD lace frontal ventilated wig unit, and you guys, this wig is literally crazy. I've had nothing like it. I have worked with probably like 1 or 2 other ventilated units, but nothing beats this. The baby hairs were perfect. It wasn't too crazy, and this is actually for the first time I'm not feeling like, oh, maybe I should like swoop the edges. Like, I actually want to leave it natural. You guys, let me come a little bit closer. Can you see this? To die for. To die for. Really nice and natural. I'm living for the pre-plug situation going on. I did not have to do anything to this unit but apply it, and I am like, I'm shook. I'm very happy about these results, and if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. It is also 100% glueless, so this wig right here is the GOAT. Not only does it look natural, but it could come off whenever you want and put back on whenever you want, and the installation process is less than 5 minutes. Like, golden. I'm in love. When I stop rambling on, I speak a little bit more about this unit in the end of the video, so stay tuned if you'd like to see that. But as for right now, let's jump into today's tutorial.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap, being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. They gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Go around, get your right last name. I know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. Play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like HAIRLINE, sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the ground, trying to see that in 3D. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Don't not a vibe, put the work in. Cause you know I love them all, to me you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby you got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. They ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Go around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like HAIRLINE, sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the ground, trying to see that in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat me. Seeing how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy.
All I do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. 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 I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400, I need a big cage, man. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ice we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me cause you be tripping when you miss it. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Alright, you guys, so we are finally finished, and this is the ILIKEHAIR Kinky Edges 13x4 HD lace ventilated wig. And I'm gonna just come closer so you guys can see. Like, it's giving, what? It's the lace. It's giving, this is my hair from my scalp, and all you have to do to just fix that lace issue is just pull the edges with your fingers, just like play around with it, and you're good to go. Like, I am not mad at this at all. At first I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but she's cute. Okay, so I opted for a side part, and obviously you can do middle part, you could do a half up, half down. I am contemplating just pulling it back because I do have an engagement after this video. So yeah, I'm loving the hair, the texture is everything. The kinky straight is really nice and full from the roots to the ends. Like, I'm not having any straggly ends or anything like that, so that's really good. And this hair is just like perfect, really. So the hair is actually very soft. I can straighten it out some more. Right now it's giving a blowout vibe, but if I were to like spend some more time and just put some more heat on it, it's definitely going to give like that yucky straight. So right now it's in the kinky straight vibe, and I'm not mad at it at all. Like, I didn't have to do too much, and I love it. So if you'd like to get your hands on this gorgeous unit from ILIKEHAIR, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.